Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We've got issue 66 right here. No relation to order 66. But we do have some parts. Looks like we've got some electronics in here. So let's get this thing open. Let's see what we got. And here are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got a distribution board, a mounting plate, and some more of these little Allen screws. So, well, let's just get right to it. All right, the first step is to remove all of these Allen screws from the sprue. I'm just going to throw them around the room instead. There we go. Now these Allen screws are going to continue the counterclockwise trend here. So here's where we ended last time. We've got these 4 holes right here that they're going to go in, and then all the way over here is where the next 2 are. Okay, and there we go. The next 6 hex screws are in place, and it doesn't look like we've got very many left to go, but we'll have to wait for later issues for those. Alright, for this next stage, we're going to want to take the projector that we assembled from previous issues, and we're going to be throwing that into place here. Now if you take a look, way down in here we've got our projector mounting, and there's a little hole in there, and you notice there's these 2 posts right there. Well, if you take a look at your projector, you've got 2 screw holes. So it's going to go in with the electronics facing towards the top of the dome, and you just slide that into the hole there, the projector, and try to keep the cabling out of the way. Line it up so that that's right on the lugs on the mounting bracket, and you're going to want to use 2 of the 6mm black screws to hold it in place. All right, and look at that, looking neat. It's getting a little crowded inside this dome, isn't it? But now we've got our projector mounted and looking pretty. All right, for this next section, we're going to want to take the distribution board and the mounting plate here. And if you take a look, there are 3 screw holes on the distribution board. 1, 2, 3. And 3 screw bases here on the mounting plate. So we just slide it in and line those up just like this. And we're going to want to use 3 of the 6mm black screws to hold it in place. Okay, and with the circuit board on the mounting plate here, we're going to throw it into the dome. And if you take a look at the very top, you've got 3 screw holes, and right here you've got 3 screw holes. And on the other side, you've got these little rails here. Well, that's going to go right into this cutout right there. So if you line it up, it should sit just like this. And we're going to use 3 of the 4mm fatter silver screws to hold it in place. And there you have it. Distribution board is in place, and that actually completes this stage. And there we go, people. Stage 66 is complete. A lot more work done on the inside of this dome here. It is certainly coming along and looking beautiful, both inside and out. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.